Soul Squad. Hey guys, happy hump day. Welcome back to my kitchen. We are doing what? Barbecue pulled chicken. I did a chicken video in my Instapot, so I'm back at this Instapot. But with that particular video, we took it from the Instapot to the oven to get crispy. But we doing all the work here. And the Instapot to the top stove for barbecue pulled chicken. Let's go over here to my Instapot. I have my chicken already in here, and it's already, I put like a half a cup of water in here, and I already did one chicken, guys. You know, I got a large family, so I already did that one. Since the juices from that chicken is already in here, I didn't even add any more water, so I'm using the juices from that chicken for this particular chicken. But if you're doing it just one chicken, half a cup of water, seal it, 30 minutes, let us go. So that's what we're going to do. Don't laugh at me, guys, because y'all know I got issues with my Instapot top. Oh my God. Oh my God. How good was that? This thing knew not to act up with me because it acted up earlier on my first one. I was in here struggling doing this. Oh my goodness. Let me put on the glasses because the girl got to see. Okay. Hey. We're not doing any sauteing or anything like that. I'm going straight to what? Poultry. I'm going to take the temperature up 30 minutes. And we're going to wait till it say on. Oh. Ooh, guys, I almost forgot to put down. Make sure this thing is down. Lord. Oh, jeez, I almost forgot about that. Okay. It's on. I'll be back in probably like 45 minutes because once it come out of here, guys, well, you know what? I'll be back in the 30 minutes to show you how to release the air and open it up. Then we'll be back on the second after it cools down to pull it apart, to season it, and do no seasoning. And I'm going to show you why I'm not putting no seasoning. I'm just putting that chicken in there whole. Because when I pull it apart with all that meat and put it in the frying pan, that's when I'm going to season all my meat that I'm going to use before I add the barbecue sauce. But we'll be back in 30 minutes when this is done. Okay, guys, we're back. It's been 30 minutes. I let my Instapot do its thing. Ooh, it's hot. What the hell was I thinking? Okay, we're going to pop it up. We're going to pop it up. Ooh. Ooh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I let it do it on its own. See that? So it's really not that much because I let it do it, you know, let the steam do it on its own. So I was looking at TV. So it's almost finished. Once that steam releases itself, then you could take your top off. So it still have a little bit of steam left in it. But while that's doing what it's due, I'll come back to show you guys how you can let it off once all the steam come out of here. I had already did a chicken because I got a large family. I cooled it, peeled it, and the steam had stopped, but I cooled it, peeled it, and I pulled all the meat. You don't want any of that meat or anything like that, guys. Remember, I didn't pre-season this chicken. So what you want to do is take a large fork, and you just want to pull this chicken apart. Chicken have no flavor right now. None whatsoever. But we're going to change that, guys. Of course, I already washed my hands. I want to be fancy, say use a fork because it's called pulled chicken. Honey, you may have to get in there with your hands and pull this chicken apart. You want to shred it. Do what it do. Look at that. You guys know this is a nice fork too. I like this fork. Just rip up my chicken. I got a lot of chicken to do, but we're just going to do this one. I'm going to save this one for later. Okay, so let me show you guys real quick. The steam that stopped on here. Come over here. We get light. Look at that baby. I did 30 minutes on this. Yeah, it's a lot of water because I didn't add any water to this. I already had water in here from my previous chicken. Look at that fell apart. So what I'm going to do, the chicken is done. It cooked for 30 minutes. That's all I wanted to do. Maybe, look at that. I should have pulled some of my water off my first chicken, but I was like, hey, being lazy, but it is what it is. I'm going to dump this off. This did cook for 30 minutes. It's done. Look at this. It's nice. It's done. I'm going to dump the juices off, and I'm going to let this cool down in the pot, because that one's for dinner. This one's for now and whatever left over. So let me finish pulling this chicken apart, get it all stringy and everything, get a little bit of oil in my pan. We're going to put it in the pan, we're going to season it, and we're going to put it all together on a bun with some fries and the pickle for you guys. Be right back. What's up, guys? We back. Look at my chicken. It is shredded. Now for my seasoning, I'm using some Adobo chicken flavor by Goya, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and I got some honey here. So I'm gonna take some of this chicken. I got my pan lightly greased. I got 1 teaspoon of I don't want to overcrowd my pan, guys. This is 1 chicken. You can use a chicken breast if you want, guys. 3 chicken breasts if you want. That's up to you. I decided to go with whole chicken. Now I'm moving this to the side. Be very careful with this. This is salty. I just want to give that a little bit of flavor. Be very off. Y'all, I forgot. Remember I used this onion powder the other day and the top missing? Jeez. Louise. Okay, let's see if we're going to get some of this onion stuff up out of here. See, they hit all that meat right there. I'm talking right on the stove. It hit all that meat right there. Okay. You don't want to overflavor this? No. Look at my son digging in that meat. Okay. Garlic powder. It tastes good to you? Y'all know how he be doing the camera, right? Did I use pepper already? The daggone onion powder got me so confused. I don't know if I used pepper. And this is why we didn't season the chicken, because I pulled that meat and I want to have that meat seasoned. And guys, taste a piece. Don't be afraid. Taste a piece before you get that barbecue sauce on there, because you want to make sure that it's good. Look, I'm making a mess. Oh man, that's gonna pan a little bit too small, but that's okay. Just taste a little bit of your meat. Perfect. That Adobo chicken season, jeez, it's light. Okay. If I don't make barbecue sauce, we like Baby Ray. Honey. Hand me that wooden spoon behind you, boo. That is seasoned perfect. Imagine this on some bread. Look at that. Oh, I'm not finna use the whole bottle. We don't want no dry pulled pork up in here. Do we? No. And then I gotta put in some parsley flakes. That chicken good. Some more Baby Ray, because my children like barbecue sauce. If you don't have, it's barbecue pulled pork. And then, last but not least, a tablespoon of the honey, or the rest of the honey you got left in your bottle. But it's just enough. What I need. It's gonna be to have that sweet and salty taste, but not overpowering. Hit that bun. That's it, guys. Pulled barbecue chicken. You think you need some more barbecue sauce? Look at that. Somebody doing the mukbang for this. It's chicken, guys. Your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Tell me somebody gonna love it. We be right back. We're gonna plate this and show you the end result. Pulled chicken. I'm gonna clean up my mess too. Okay, guys, we are back. Okay, my son wanted French fries for his, so he got some seasoned fries. I toasted that bun, and just let me go in right here. This is my pull. Look at that. And you know they already been tasting it, right? He's not a lot, because he's the one doing the mukbang. He don't like a lot of something on his food. Make sure you get all that skin. Look, I just saw a piece of skin. Make sure you peel everything off, guys. I think that's a dress with a little bit of barbecue sauce. Nah, I'm letting him do it his way. Look at that, my pulled pork. Close that up. That came from the toast. Give him a pickle. Tell me that ain't good eating. I know they're going to eat more than one. I'm doing presentation. Guys, this is my pulled, and I call it pulled pork. My homemade pulled chicken with fries and pickle. A good lunch. And guess what? It's hot outside. Use that Instant Pot. Pull it out. Don't turn the oven on. Until my next video, guys, like, share, subscribe. I am out, Soul Squad. I love you guys so much.